houses sind schon bereit.
55.
55 houses are ready to go.
Yep.
Wow. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous, Kevin. So sieht das aus, ja? This is a full house. It's a beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Herrlich. I mean, this is beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Gleich. Well, it's like on a fairy tale land.
This is the Emerald model.
Okay. Is er andere model hazard?
Female models already.
4 different models that you can choose from.
Yep.
And that's all you have. You're having 4 models.
Yeah.
How many miles is the neighborhood?
The
ganze Jahr.
It's 500 acres.
500 acres. Wow.
I'll take you all the way and I'll show you the other end of the property.
Wow, wow, wow. So basically there's a circle. How many houses are going to be in the first phase, in the first circle? 200 houses. And when is it being ready?
Next year.
It's next year, 11, and then after the next school year, 200 houses ready to move in.
Absolutely.
So this is phase 1. And it goes around this lake here.
Around this lake, yeah.
Beautiful lake, herrlich. But you only built 55, but you're saying they're coming up quick.
Very quick. 3.5 months takes to build a house.
Wow, from scratch to finish.
Start to finish.
3.5 months, wow. Beautiful. So this is phase 1, and then phase 2, 3, 4 is that way.
So, yeah.
It's all
the end of it goes more towards the back as well. All of it.
And it's all enclosed, the size, no trespassing, it's a private.
Exactly.
Wow.
So there's going to be 3 entrances on the entire side.
Beautiful. And security, ich meine,
Yeah, obviously.
it's amazing.
Well, I'll take you into one of the houses you see on a lake. It's beautiful. It's so peaceful. I have to show it to you.
Let's go.
Like it.
Lass mal antanzen dort.
So, I'll take you on both sides, you'll see. But the light is out in the lake. I'll take you in this. You see out of a kitchen window or in a bedroom window how nice it is.
So these lakes are man-made lakes.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if you do circles, do a lake. Do a lake, do a lake. Let's go inside. Lass mal sehen, wie sie das in the kitchen window. How many workers do you have here on an average day working?
Depends on the day, but it's between 300 to 500.
500 workers working here. Wow.
It's getting more and more and more. The more we
And the more you go, the more. I like it. High doors.
aluminum windows.
Beautiful big windows.
Let me show you.
Wow. This is the view from the kitchen window, Kevin. Unbelievable.
This is not a road, by the way. This is a temporary road.
So it's gonna be grass in the back.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. Stel's like food. Wow, that view.
More. There's the option of the attics. You have to see a window from the attic overlooking the lake. It's beautiful. Okay, so now we're by the sewer treatment plant. And obviously the town couldn't provide us for enough sewer for us. They didn't have the infrastructure for it, so we had to build our own sewer treatment plant.
Hoeveel kost het aan massa?
Millions of dollars.
Millions of dollars just because.
Millions. And then, again, the sewer, it's a whole system. It's not only this plant. It's still coming right outside the berms. It's still coming another whole structure. That's a vac station. It's people don't understand, but it's a lot of work to use a bathroom.
But you built your own sewer systems like that. You're good now.
Yep.
You know,
Yeah.
unlimited.
Unlimited.
It's not like you built. So you built the infrastructure right for the community.
Correct.
So guys, on genik, enough sewer,
Everywhere.
no backups, no nothing. You know, a lot of communities weren't built like that. And we get metazes every month in the gegend here, and boom, they can't hold it.
Nope. This can hold it.
This can hold this. You spent millions of dollars on this, your own sewer infrastructure here. Wow. Chevra, as far as you look, it's empty land. Place to just build and build and build. We're standing here with Jeff from Rise Architecture. Jeff, you're behind the whole project here.
Behind the whole project, there's a lot of people that took to get this off. But Baruch Hashem, we have a very, very amazing team, not just on the architecture side, on the development side, to pull this off, Baruch Hashem. Where we are today is something we started 3 years ago, but Pretty impressive if you look around, Baruch Hashem.
It's unreal. Unreal. I mean, look at the houses here. It's just a dream come true. So I want you to show me the model home of the ranch. The ranch is the cheapest model house here. It's going for how much?
$460, I think, is the base price.
$460.
Yes.
That's not normal.
4-bedroom house for $460 base price. It's a ranch, I understand. Not what you typically used to is coming from Flatbush or Williamsburg. But Florida ranch is a very, very standard style house. Exterior walls are all cinder block. And we're going to take a walk through it quickly.
So that's one nice thing I like about the houses here. They're all cinder block. No wood. You know, in Lakewood, Tom's River, they build with wood.
No wood. It's all cinder block. All exterior walls are cinder block. The interior walls are not cinder block. But all exterior walls are all cinder block. For all
Wow,
houses.
that's great. So it's strong, powerful houses, hurricane proof,
Yes.
and all that.
Windows are hurricane proof. Windows are projectile proof with 150 mile-an-hour winds.
Really? Wow, so you make sure of that.
So you walk into this house, look at this magnificent living room dining space. As you can walk through it, you take a look at out the back window, which I think is the most important part, not just the house itself. The fact of the outside space. Look at that view.
You don't have this view anywhere. It's gorgeous.
Magnificent.
And no house not being here, right? It's just,
So this particular house, there will be a house across the street. So this house, you're not going to get this view. So I agree you're not going to get this house. Well, look at the view from this house. Look at the view from those houses, the backs of those houses, facing the water. The water is literally 50 feet away from the house.
gorgeous. Gorgeous lake over there. Yeah. So this is the dining room.
This is the dining room, living room space. Very large, nice dining room, living space. This here is the kitchen with an eat-in kitchen, the Dafka. Every single house that we've designed in the building, an entire site, has embedded in it location for a Pesach kitchen, so you can see the pipes coming out of the wall. It's already been pre-plumbed. Everything's in the wall. Literally just putting a Pesach kitchen ready to go.
Wow. That's great.
Yeah.
I see the kitchen. Just a quick question. You designed it all kosher.
All kosher. I want to show you something in the bathrooms very specific, because when we talk about kosher houses, every single bathroom is designed this way. So you walk into the bathroom, is that you have your sink, which is outside your actual toilet. Your toilet
Halacha to wash outside.
You have to wash your hands outside. Every single bathroom in the entire development is designed this way.
Wow.
Massive bedroom as well. And I'm going to show you this. Here's a
Svarm room. So you really thought about the Talmud Chacham over here. Unbelievable. Wow.
Over here, so you walk this way, you have a nice coat closet. The entrance is nice open.
Coat closet, nice big entrance over here.
You walk in here, and here's your mechanical equipment.
Okay.
And here is a closet.
There's no basements in the whole development, right?
Florida has a general water issue, so we don't have basements in anything else.
Got it.
Same thing, here's another bathroom.
Nachamul sinks are always outside.
Here's a one bedroom here with closets. Another bedroom here. Now this is a little bit of a concise house. Another bedroom here.
Okay. 3 bedrooms right there.
Here's a washer and dryer space that has space for washer and dryer, for double siding washer and dryer. Then you have your master bedroom, which has 2 separate closets, one and 2. Again, Nachamul sinks outside.
Wow.
And then a full
bathroom.
bathroom.
So this is the ranch.
This is the ranch house. This is the smallest house that we made, and this is the most cost-effective house in the entire development.
Unreal. 460.
We know that the bedrooms are not the biggest bedroom, but we designed it Bedafka to get a 4-bedroom, really good to get your bang for your buck, so to say.
I mean, for 460 in Brooklyn, you're not even getting
For 460, you get a half a garage if you're lucky.
you get a driveway to rent from some.
if you're lucky, you get a driveway.
Wow, this is unreal. Color covered. Wow. So I mean, today's a big day for you. I mean, you see the young light coming down with the wives to actually close on the houses, touch it, feel it. It's a dream. How many years are you working on this already for?
We started this 3 years ago. It's a dream from 3 years ago. Baruch Hashem, we've come to this place. If you look around, as you've seen before, if you see some videos coming out, Baruch Hashem, we have over 40 houses standing already. Our goal is to, by the next school year, to have close to, we want to have 200 houses standing, yeshiva standing, a supermarket standing, as well as other stuff.
But I see you're targeting Hasidim over here. What's going to be with you if you want to come here?
I think they'll let me come back.
They'll let you come?
I hope.
Maybe you'll buy a beard, you know?
Yeah, I think we have a rent-a-beard shop in the supermarket.
Rent-a-beard shop. If a Litvish guy wants to come here once. Wow. And eventually, like I spoke to the other Askanim over here, they said that eventually they want it to be for all of Klal Yisrael.
The goal, I'll tell you the long-term goal. The long-term goal is that Yiddishkeit needs a new place to go, and we find that a lot of the places we're going, we're being priced out of our particular aspects. We need to start changing that dynamic. So we own this site, which is 530 acres, which, just to understand what 530 acres is, Pretty Show is also 530 acres. The entire show is 530 acres. This piece alone that we're standing on is 530 acres. We are in contract for another 900 acres, and we own another 160 acres down the street.
Wow.
So understand the scope and the size of what we're trying to accomplish.
And technically, it's unlimited even after that. Like you just
There's
have.
enough land to keep building, and if we keep doing this way, we can keep our prices down. And the goal is to be able to have affordable housing for Yiddishkeit, long term, live beravchus, live comfortably, steigen teure, which is the ultimate goal.
That's the ultimate goal.
And that's what we're trying to accomplish.
Wow, thank you so much, Jeff. Have a great day.